Man, you might be the biggest, craziest enemy on the planet just because you're preserving your life that you have to live and having say so.
Yeah, because and I think, and I don't want people to get confused is when you're saying that you're not just talking about cutting back physical things. I mean emotionally.
You're correct.
You're talking about emotionally cutting back. I mean, that's not saying, okay, you're in my bubble and all of a sudden I realize that you're taking more than you're giving. So, okay, you gotta move out my house. No, that's not what I see it as. I see it as, okay, emotionally I'm giving you all this energy, but I see I ain't getting the energy back. So, hey, look, I'm gonna just, pull my energy back and devote my concentration onto things where I can grow mentally, where I can grow physically. If there's nothing else, if now I'm gonna take, like, if I'm at work and I've been coming into work 30 minutes early, leaving 30 minutes later, but I'm not getting that same energy back, I'm gonna take this 30 minutes, I'm gonna go to the gym.
Correct. That's right.
I'm gonna take this 30 minutes when I leave early and just go read a book. If I don't do nothing but just sit outside in my car before I start driving, reading a book. So when you remove because you got to release that person from your bubble.
Yeah, or just let's say event.
Okay.
Let's call it release the event. You got to reassess the event. All right? Because like I said, you don't get time back. And it's not being dismissive, it's not being seclusive or reclusive, it's not being where you don't respect or appreciate effort. You do all those things. But you do get a say so in how much energy you put in them. Right?